It's like coming back to college after a very long time, and I'm glad that things have changed so fast.
कौन से साल में आप पास आउट हुए थे?
Well, 2012 pass out.
2012 pass out from Galgotia.
Yeah.
It's been around 14 years.
Absolutely.
And what are you doing right now?
So I am a senior lead at NXP Semiconductors. That's equivalent to a manager.
Hi everyone, this is Arav Gupta from Galgotia, your host for today. And मैं बहुत excited हूँ. बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब मैं एल्यूमनाइज से मिलता हूँ गलगोटियास के, जो कि 2020, 2022 और उससे भी पहले पास आउट हो जाते हैं. एंड देन मैम वो अब गलगोटियास विजिट करने आते हैं. एंड बिल्कुल एक वो अलग सी चीज़ देखते हैं यहाँ पे. तो ऐसा बहुत अच्छा लगता है. आप बताइए अपने बारे में.
Okay, so it's been more than a decade जब मैं pass out हुई थी, so it's like coming back to college after a very long time, and I'm glad कि things have changed so fast और वो भी positive cause के लिए, because if I talk about the trends, so पहले जो when you used to go out of the college to find a job in a company, what used to happen is कि ठीक है you're not skilled enough for the industry, but now I'm glad that my college, my university is having all that which needs to be industry ready. So kudos to Galgotias.
कौन से साल में आप पास आउट हुए थे?
Well, 2012 pass out.
Okay, 2012 pass out from Galgotia.
Yeah.
It's been around 14 years.
Absolutely.
And what are you doing right now?
So I am a senior lead at NXP Semiconductors. That's equivalent to a manager. So yeah, I'm in there in NXP, and before that I was at Intel. So Intel for like 3 to 4 years. Then I had been to Texas Instruments, the engineer's dream company, and then ST Microelectronics as well.
You were among the initial batches of Galgotias, no?
Not really, because my cousin brother, my elder brother, he was in fact super senior to me, and Galgotia did the best to him as well, because he got into Purdue University in a student exchange program, and he is at a very good position in Chicago, US.
Nice, crazy. So, मतलब, what to ask from you?
It's like you have everything here, utilize it to the best, and you're actually
Even I'm very glad that कि 2020 2012 में आप गलगोटिया से पास आउट हुए, जब इतना अच्छा इंफ्रा, इतनी अच्छी लैब्स नहीं थी, in comparison to अब 14 years के बाद जब इतना सब हो गया है, and you're very glad to see these all things.
Because I struggled finding myself to be industry ready, because it used to be the story of every college, because at that time every lab was not so equipped that you are having the licenses at which the corporate companies are working. So that is why it is good. Initially we had to struggle finding a job, because we were not that ready to align to the corporate requirements or to that industry, because semiconductor industry has grown exponentially. So when I passed out, it was just 10% of the professional scenario of professional sphere of India. So if you have suppose 100 companies, there was just 10 companies in semiconductors. So getting yourself ready for that technology, working on nanometers, because in college labs you will be having nanometer, say 180 nanometer technology, but then switching off to 5 nanometer for a corporate life, that delta, that bridge is now no more here. So you're already industry ready.
During that time there were very limited knowledge and exposure of semiconductor.
Resources were limited.
But right now I believe, like, as this AI chips culture is very growing out, and Nvidia is growing out super soon. So even Galgotias, not just Galgotias, multiple companies are improving the semiconductor wala.
Absolutely. I was glad to see the Nvidia lab here, getting that license of that company. So collaborating on actually a practical knowledge. So we did have our basics very strong with the help of our processors, but here you are blending your book basics with that practical knowledge, which is a perfect blend. That's the best sell. You say that best selling cake, bestseller. So your best selling book in the market if you have the practical knowledge blended with your basics being strong.
Ma'am, I'm gonna ask you a last question. Let's suppose I recently passed from 12th and looking out for colleges. Why Galgotias?
Yeah, again, because when you pass out from 12th class, so you always have that thing in your mind, like, okay, eventually I have to do a job initially. I know everybody has entrepreneurial ideas also. Everybody wants to be an entrepreneur, but then initially everybody has to do a job. So for that, you will be looking for a college which gives you good placement, which gives you placements in good companies, because any college will provide placements, but then what placement is it, in which company it is, because MNCs and these companies, they have a very good work-life balance. So placing you into the best company at the best place. That's what Galgotia does.
Nice, crazy मैम. So lastly, mom dad वगैरह क्या कह रहे हैं अभी?
Mom, that for like
Like कि जब आपने आए थे and pass out
okay,
हुए, अभी
okay.
मतलब you might told them कि यार आप आ रहे हो
Yes,
गलगोटिया से.
yes. Yeah, they are good because like I keep on doing these things. So then I in fact a couple of years back, then I did masters after a long gap in my career. BTech, after BTech I joined the company. Then on the fly, on job, I did my masters. So it's like the journey is ongoing. So they are thrilled sometimes at some moments, and sometimes say, okay, oh, that's good, good, go ahead.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for being
Alright.
here. Yeah,
Thank you,
thank
my pleasure.
Yeah,